This is one top only for me.
Okay, sorry.
This one will cover my bum. Hello, Bhaiya. Hi guys, good morning. I have woken up now and I've taken a shower. Even though it might look like I haven't, but I have. And I am just going to quickly get ready to go to Bandra and do some shopping. I am super excited. I haven't been to Bandra, Linking Road in probably I went before COVID. So it's been 3 years. And I used to go there all the time when I was in college, and it is almost a place of nostalgia for me. And I love Bandra Linking Road. I really need to get myself some shoes, because if you know what happened with me, Ajio didn't give me the shoes that I ordered. So I need to go get myself some pair of heels. So I need to go basically get some shoes for myself. So without any further ado, let's get dressed and let's do some shopping. Hello! I am now ready to go to Bandra. I am ready for a full day of shopping. I have my hair tied up. I am ready to go, but I just realized that I'm not prepared to wear a sleeveless top. If you know what I mean. But I also have something very interesting to try out. So let me introduce you. Let me introduce you to this bad boy. This is my quick fix. This is my savior. This is the BOMBAE Shea Butter Hair Removal Cream. This is for normal skin. I have used a couple of hair removing creams in the past, and I haven't had a very good experience with them. I tend to not like the smell of them because it's very chemically and a little weird, and I also feel like I am not always happy with the results, and my skin tends to get slightly irritated. So I wanted to try this one out. I have very high expectations from this, so let's put it to test.
So this is everything that comes in the box of the hair removal cream. I just kind of apply a thick layer over the patch that you want to remove hair from, and spread it evenly with the spatula that they have given, and leave this on for about say 5 minutes. That's the optimal time. And then just scoop it out and wash it with warm water and pat your skin dry. This I have seen has given me such amazing quick results. It has not made my underarms dark or anything of that sort. It has a very pleasant citrusy kind of an aroma, and it was actually a very cooling sensation even while I was wearing it. They also have a bigger tube which is for 100 grams. I will leave a link to it in the description box. That is very useful if you want to cover larger parts of your body and do your arms or legs or anything of that sort. That's also available.
So now that I am hair free and fuss free, I am happy to put my arms up, bargain to my heart's content at Bandra shop and tell them, wo wala nikalna, 200 rupees dungi, 100 rupees dungi. Honestly, bargaining is my favorite part of street shopping. Comment down below if yours is the same, because I know it is. I am actually very happy with this quick fix that I have done. I was very skeptical because the previous times that I've tried hair removal creams, it has actually left me with a bad rash, and rash in your underarms is the most annoying thing, and it gets even more irritated if you're sweating or anything of that sort. So I was very skeptical, but I was pleasantly surprised when I used this. I will leave a link to this in the description box.
I was drawn to this hair removal cream because BOMBAE is a sister brand of the Bombay Shaving Company.
So that's why I was like, they know about hair removal. Let me put my trust in them. My underarms feel really moisturized, because I've always noticed that my underarms tend to get a little dark and dry after I use hair removal cream. That's why I either shave or wax, but I feel like underarms is also a very sensitive area. Dukta hai when you do waxing over there. So this can be a really good option for people who are looking for a painless form of hair removal, because nobody likes underarm wax pain. At least I don't. So yeah, I am ready to go to Bandra and do some massive shopping. I'm ready with my beautiful fuss-free, hair-free underarms and let's go shopping! बड़ा नहीं लग रहा?
ये पहनने पे बॉडी पूरा कवर अप करेगा ना बॉडी इस टाइम।
पर भैया ऊपर से स्ट्रेट और नीचे के बीच में ऐसा कर्व आना चाहिए ना, बॉडी हमारी कर्व रहती है ना बीच में।
पहनोगे तो कर्व बनेगा ना मैडम।
कैसे बनेगा भैया?
अरे कैसे, ये बहुत बड़ा है भैया,
समझ रहे नहीं हो।
बहुत बड़ा है।
इसमें साइज
कर्व अंदर आना चाहिए।
नहीं है इसलिए तो इज आर्ग्यूइंग नो।
इसमें एक ही साइज है, ऐसा फ्री साइज है।
हाँ एक ही
टच करवा सकते हो मुझे बैक साइड से।
करवाना नहीं है, आपके पास साइज है नहीं है ना, तो बस।
क्योंकि ऐसा जब मटेरियल होता है तो फिर टक्स में प्रॉब्लम होगी ना। अगर नॉर्मल इवन वैसा वाला होता ना तो उसमें तो टक्स कर सकते, मेरे को पता है। इसमें टक्स करेंगे अंदर से वो और भी ऐसे बल्कि बल्कि दिखेगा।
तो लग रहा है आपको बस टेलर करेगा तो परफेक्ट लगेगा, मतलब अंदर अस्तर से टच होता है। मेरे हिसाब से तो आपको
नॉट योर साइज बेब,
It's not your size.
एक इंच आपको खाली अल्ट्रेशन करना है।
इट्स वेरी लूज, इज नॉट योर साइज।
खाली alter- this one is looking nice.
This is so light. This is one top only for me.
टॉप कैसा रहेगा मैडम? मिनी लाइन के टॉप कैसा रहेगा? साइज देखना है।
This one doesn't cover my bum. मैं ये ऊपर से एक बार पहन के देखूं। Zip पहन।
मेक श्योर नॉट इचिंग,
मेरा सेंटर नहीं है।
जस्ट हेल्प नो।
कैमरा ओपन करना पड़ेगा। चलो मुझे ये कोई चीज नहीं है। अपने पास नहीं आता।
ये क्या है, इट्स बिकम अ टॉप एक्चुअली।
बहुत अच्छी है।
How do you like my top?
You haven't even zipped it.
How do you like my top? Like मैं खींच के भी इसको नीचे निकाल
बहुत अच्छा है।
तो हम एक फोटो
लंबा नहीं बना सकते थे। हेलो भैया, हाय बोल दो मेरे YouTube चैनल के लिए। अभी हम लोगों ने मम्मी के लिए 3 कुर्ते लिए यहाँ पे। आप जरा मॉडलिंग कर लो मेरी मम्मी के कुर्ते के लिए। नहीं ये पहन के बता दो, ये पहन के बता दो।
My God. See, this is kurta. Okay, this one.
माशाल्लाह।
Oh,
So now I am back from Bandra. I actually didn't spend that much time over there. I thought that I'll spend more time, but I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I got. So let me just quickly show you. First up is this bag right here. This bag gave me all sorts of poo vibes. You must have seen it in the video as well. I absolutely fell in love with this. I actually wanted the white one, but then I saw this color and I felt like this was a much better muted sort of a color. It's more of a blush pink color, which is absolutely up my alley and I love it. Next up, I got 2 pairs of jeans from this shop, which is right opposite KFC. It's called Damsel. He writes that, you know, they are for 850, but you can bargain a little bit. Yeah, I think around 700 each. I got these pairs of jeans, the one that I'm wearing, and this dark blue one. This dark blue one has my heart. When I saw this, he was actually holding it outside as a 100 rupees ka sale, 100 rupees ka sale, like that, and we went in, and this is something I fell in love with. I love the boot cut of this denim. I love the color of this. I love the boot cut of this denim. I love the length. I love the fact that it elongates my body. And if you are looking to, you know, kind of get a silhouette that elongates your limbs, this kind of jeans is a definite must buy. And especially in a darker color, those kind of colors will make you look longer and more slender. And I feel like this can also be sort of a semi-formal option if you know you want to wear jeans but you also sort of want to look a little formal. This along with like a jacket or something of that sort will look super chic and super cool. I can't wait to style it, especially now that it's kind of getting a little chilly. Next up is this distressed light wash denim that I have. It's very similar to the one that I was wearing actually when I went for shopping, but this one is way more baggy, and I love the fact that it is distressed, so that's what adds to the cool factor. I feel like these are honestly the most amazing and comfortable pair of jeans that I own. They are so comfortable. I can literally like do yoga in them, I feel, and these would be great to even travel in because they are so roomy and comfy. This was actually slightly bigger for me at the waist, but udhar only they will like do the alteration and all and give you if you tell them ki acha isko chota karna hai. Obviously bada nahi ho sakta, chota to definitely ho sakta hai. And for me, and for someone like me whose hips are larger than her waist, getting a size up and then you know, altering the waist is the perfect option to get a jeans that fits you rightly. For 700 rupees, this is an absolute steal. Next up is this kurti that I got. This one I got for 500 rupees, which I'm not sure. I kind of feel like I overpaid for this one. I feel like this could be for 200-300 also, but I really loved the print of this, and he was not going less than 500, and 500 also ekdam aise bheek mang ke I got it from him. I absolutely fell in love with the print, and the pink and everything gave me like really girly vibes. It's also very summery, probably not something that I would wear in this time of the year, but definitely something that you can wear for like a puja or something of that sort at home, which is dressy but still simple and elegant. And this along with a nice pair of jhumkis will absolutely finish the look. Love it. Next up are 4 pairs of heels. So first up is something that actually made me dance the second I saw it, and thanks to my friend Hemali who spotted this at the store. I mean, excuse me? What even? These are such beautifully gorgeous pair of pink heels. I do not have anything like this in my collection. This is absolutely stunning. I feel like, and when I first saw this, I was like, I don't think this is going to fit me because I usually wear a size 41 and this one is a size 40, but it kind of fit me okay, and it was so cute, and this was for 700 rupees, and the quality of it is also very good. It's from this shop called Habits, not from like your roadside shop, it's from a proper shop, and this one was too good for me to pass out on. This one was just mwah. This was the best purchase. If you guys are around Bandra, go to that shop and get your hands on this pair of shoes right now. I mean, I'm sure it probably must have already sold out, but if not, this was on sale, 700 rupees. Grab it right now. Right now. Next up are these pair of heels right here. These are white with transparent heels. These look so stunning. Also, They are very, very comfortable to wear. Usually I don't like, you know, getting heels that don't have any strap or like any hold in the back, because I feel like they do that chop 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 whenever you walk, which is very uncomfortable and annoying. But when I wore these, because I feel that they are broader from here, they were a lot better to walk in, and I absolutely fell in love. They were also very, very comfortable to walk in and very, very chic looking. I also feel that they will go with a multitude of outfits. So yeah, this was a must buy. 700 rupiya ke liye. Next up is another pair of white block heels. Honestly, I got this because they were so comfortable. When I wore this, I felt like I was walking on clouds. It didn't feel uncomfortable in any shape, size or form. And this is, you know, this is the kind of buckle that I like having in the back of the shoe, which actually is very, very comfortable. So when I saw this, I felt like this was a no-brainer. Also, it's not that big a heel, so it's good for like sort of everyday wear. So at that time, wearing something like this would be a great option. Also, super comfortable and a great buy for 700. Last but definitely not the least, these are a pair of nude shoes that I got. These are block heeled. This was also a size 10, which is 41, I believe. I love the color of this because I've been looking for a nude pair like this kind for a very long time, and I did not get one. So this was honestly the first pair that I saw, and I was like, acha theek hai, side mein rakh do. They are very, very comfortable, and I love the color. So yay! So yes, those are all the things that I got from my Bandra shopping extravaganza. I have to say, I absolutely loved that little poo bag that I got and this pink shoes. They are my absolute favorite from the haul. So if you are going there for shopping, definitely check out those two places. So anyways, that is my Bandra haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other sort of markets that I can explore. I love street shopping. I'm just someone who's not very happy, you know, going to a mall and like shopping like that. It doesn't fill my soul. I have been street shopping ever since I, you know, मैंने होश संभाला है, and I just enjoy the whole process of going shopping, bargaining and looking at all these colorful things. It just makes my little heart flutter with joy. And the other option that I like doing is online shopping, because then I feel like I can see how it actually looks on someone, and then, you know, it's already styled and all of that for you, so it's better inspiration that you get and you can shop. So these are the two options that I personally love to shop from. So let me know in the comments if you have any other markets in Mumbai that you want me to explore, because I would love to explore those markets. So yes, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.